experiments with Ivy. Today's experiment, this is what you need. Ice scoopers, check. Sugar, check. Salt, check. Pepper, check. Let's begin. Oh, that one's slippery. That's enough. Whoa! They can slide? They can slide? I didn't know that. So, let's check color. Ah! Go. I just put it like that. I'll put it like that. Nope. Like that. Okay, hang on it. Why is it coming? Go away. Which one needs salt? Which one needs salt?
To the one to the right. Or my right, your left. That's a lot of salt.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. And that one needs pepper?
Yes.
Oh. Oh, this is good.
Be careful, you don't want to cross-contaminate. All right, get the pepper.
It's so big and tall. What one can I use? What can I use? Maybe.
Oh, you should use the same one for all of them, so let's go back to purple.
Purple just needs colors. Whoa. It smells good. It smells good though. It smells good. Oops. Okay. That one. Yep. Oops. I got that one. That's good. Oops. I just moved these out of the way.
Which one do you think is going to melt faster?
Pepper, how about sugar, and salt, and pepper.
So that's the order you think it's going to go? Mm-hmm. Pepper, sugar, and salt. So pepper's going to melt first. Sugar's going to melt second. Ice is going to melt third. Now we wait.
We need some light. Sugar.
Ew.
Sugar is yummy. I like sugar. I really like sugar.
Which one's melting faster?
Wait, this one's melting first. That's the one melting first. That one's melting first.
Are you licking the sugar?
Off of the side. I'm getting off of the side.
Which one?
This one.
Are you sure? That one looks like it's melting faster, that one with the salt.
No, this one's melting.
Okay, but this one looks like it's smaller, see? Which ice cube is biggest? Ah, don't move it. All right, we're checking in with your ice cubes. Which one is melting the fastest? Which one is that? Is that salt?
Yes.
Which one's melting the slowest?
This one?
Or is it pepper melting the slowest? Because the pepper ice cube is still the biggest.
Yes. Oh, it moved. All the things are sticking out of it. Yeah, out of it, you're going to change the melting point. Salt is the fastest. Pepper is the slowest. This is our experiment. Bye.